Hey everybody, Tim Bartz here, your Ford video guy, and I am at the Electrified Expo today, having a blast, looking forward to the day. We've already actually been out and did a ride in the Mach-E Rally. I have one of those, you guys know that. And I want to know, okay, how do I release that rally mode? So we got a chance to take it with pro drivers out here, have a lot of fun. I'll show you that footage. But we're going to have a lot of other fun at the Electrified Expo. We're at the Ford booth right here, Cars and Coffee. Got the Mach-E. We drove from Kansas right there. So it is out here for Cars and Coffee, enjoying, talking to people, some people from friends of Ford, and having a blast here at the Expo so far this morning. But we're going to show you all the content in this video for that. Make sure you're subscribed with that bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our other videos that we have. And let's go have some fun today. Hey, here, Tim Bartz here at McArthur. Well, I'm actually at the Expo, Electrified Expo right here, and we're in Austin, Texas, and first time seeing a 2025 Mustang Mach-E in person, because this is the new sport appearance package available on the premium. So we're going to take a look at it and show you kind of some of the stuff close up, so you can kind of see what kind of highlighted for you already, some of the other stuff, but this is pretty cool. So we do have the front grille up here. That is gives it that GT look to it, and without having to go up to the GT, right? So if you don't need the GT performance, great way of doing that. So more, you're going to see that this is the black down here on the front chin splitter down there that is painted black, and then also you're going to see black here, because originally I thought that was going to be the molded in black, but it is not. It's actually the high gloss finish to that, and we're going to go around this way because there's some people over there. But take a look at the wheel lip moldings that are also painted black, and then of course the black wheels with the red brake calipers, and those are Brembo brakes. So that's pretty cool on how that all looks, and black mirror caps and everything, and down here on the bottom rocker is black as well on there. And we're going to take a look inside. Oh, first off, before we do that, let's talk about this frunk area. So this frunk area is smaller now, so you notice that it's not quite as big. That's because that heat pump is now in there. So the heat pump takes a little bit of the space away, but you still have some usable cargo in here, a lot more than a lot of manufacturers do. But yeah, you have that heat pump in here, where I think is located there. But anyway, all right, now let's get inside. And actually, I'm just going to stand out and let the camera guy go in here and look at it. Now with the Sport Appearance Package, you're going to have the red stitching on the seats, on the dash, all over the place, on the console as well. So it looks pretty sharp there, and you'll notice that console's changed a little bit. That shifter knob has been moved now, so now you have a place to put your phone, and that shifter knob is up there on that the stock there on the column. So right where your wiper was before, now that is how you're going to put it in, drive and park and everything else like that. And then your wiper has been moved over to the left side as more of a turn dial now on your turn signal. So that's a change for this year. So there you go. And if you're not charging your phone, I kind of like the little slot up there, because you don't have to reach so far up to the wireless charging pad. But yeah, so seeing one in person for the first time. I think this is the first event they've actually had the Sport Appearance Package at, so it's kind of cool actually seeing it in person and being able to walk around it and get you close-ups and getting you some information, because a couple things that I wasn't quite sure on. But this is pretty cool seeing in person. And we got a 2024 right behind us with the older shift knob. I'll throw an image of that in there for you, but pretty cool. I like it. I like the Sport Appearance Package, and for those that are looking for something sporty without having to go up to GT, this is a great option. What do they call it? The F-150 Lightning SuperTruck, or whatever they call it. It is here on display, which is pretty cool. And so let's do a walk around on it. Look at that. Made for downforce. This did go up and race up to the top of Pikes Peak, which is pretty cool. Look, the GoPro mounts over there. They got the GoPro mount still on there, which is pretty cool. But isn't that pretty cool? Check out the sign. It's the Lightning SuperTruck. So dual motor, 600 pounds at downforce at 150 miles an hour.
10,000 at 200.
10,000 at 200 miles an hour.
Magnesium.
Crazy.
Brakes are carbon ceramic.
There you go. Horsepower, 2,140 horsepower rating on that. That's pretty cool. But that is pretty. So pretty cool. So of course, I took out the back seats and everything, and looks like the back has been remodified for Pikes Peak and everything, just like they do with the super van or whatever. But look at that air coming out to deflect out.
There's everything on it.
Pretty. Look at the tires on that. And the spoiler. Check out the spoiler.
You should get the suspension in the back.
Caution, lightning on the mountain. That's kind of funny.
Lightning on the mountain. Come over here though. Look at the inside here. So look at the scoop, it's giant, and then there's even things under there.
Wow.
And you can see the giant suspension.
There you go.
There's fins to help direct the airflow evenly.
Yeah, that's probably can be.
I probably shouldn't touch
That's pretty cool.
it. That is nuts.
There you go. That's pretty cool. So there you go. You guys get to see the SuperTruck, the Lightning SuperTruck.
Lightning SuperTruck. What are you wanting me to do?
All right, everybody. Okay, we're just going to go to the Ford booth, show you what's here. Nothing you probably haven't seen on a lot, but here you go. Here's an F-150 Lightning that they have on display here, and they actually show for 24 model year, even though 25's out now. What different ones you can get. Pro, XLT, Flash, Lariat. Now the Pro is highlighted. I believe the Pro is only available for fleet customers, but there you go. And it's showing that this is the one that's on display, the Flash Edition, which is your basically extended range XLT. So they have that on display here. Now in 25 you get the Active X seat, so you can tell this is a 24. So you get the cloth seat, so basically XLT, but with some upgrades. So XLT doesn't get the bigger screen, so you get the bigger screen here on this one here, and of course extended range is the big thing on the Flash. You guys know all that. But they do have pretty cool because they are powering everything here. So they have this all set up and a TV and everything that's all plugged in to this. Right, all these screens and everything, and they get it all plugged in to their Pro Power on board. Down in there, if you can see it, down in there. So powered by the F-150 Lightning. They got a relaxed booth. They got E-Transit here. You can get one of those. There you go. Kids playing cornhole over there. You got F-150 Lightning Platinum Edition. Not really popular. Don't have a lot of people purchasing these because just of the cost of those. And let's see what else they got here. They are showing the Pro Power Promise that you get. That's kind of the charger you get if you purchase one now on a dealer. You get this part of the Power Promise, so you get that plus installation. That kind of shows you what that looks like. I think the cord's longer than that. Normally, I think this is just for display. And then they do have a hybrid version here because, you know, when we're talking about electrification, we're talking about hybrid as well. So this is the Power Boost Hybrid. So they have one of those on display here and a Platinum Edition. Come around here. And you can see they have a Maverick Hybrid 25 model year. So not too many places that they showed off the 25 model year yet, but here's a 25 model year XLT version right here. It is a hybrid, you can tell. Check that out. So chatted with them and someone from the brand team for a little bit here earlier, so we had a little fun with this. So Maverick, of course you guys have seen the videos that we did already, so you know all about those. But here's the interior of those. They have it plugged in to keep it going and everything, but you have your blue interior now instead of the orange. So that's different, unique for this year. You guys hopefully have seen that from my videos, and blue specs in the seat now as well, and the blue vents and the bigger screen, the bigger productivity screen, all good stuff and new stuff for this year. Pretty cool there. And then they do have a Mach-E, the 2025 Mach-E with the new Sport Appearance package. So there you go, and then you can see the frunk here. So I guess you're gonna do a video that's coming out, but to kind of show this new frunk. It is smaller frunk now because it has the heat pump. The heat pump takes up some room, and so because of that you have a smaller frunk. But check out the fit system, even in the Mach-E. So they've moving that over from the Maverick over to other vehicles as well. but also has your sport wheels and everything on it, and your red interior. So people getting in it right now, but you get that red stitched interior as well. And so yeah. So, and then of course, I'll use a clip of the new interior. Now this is a 24 model year Rally over here. Well, yeah, that's a 24. Now you can see the frunk on this one much bigger than the 25 because it doesn't have the heat pump in it. So there you go. And of course, this has you can still get the white wheels in the 25. It's just you have the option for the gray too. And they got a rack if you want kayaks.
Here, I'll get them one.
All cool stuff here. Fun stuff here in the Ford booth.
Okay, here we go, everybody. We are unbridled. We are Rally Sport, which has set the suspension, the best rally suspension setup, and of course, traction control is off. So we're going to cruise nice and steady over the top of the first tabletop, and then we will open up the lap pretty hard. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Here we go. Into braking. Right. Once it turns. Now we can go. You see, we can go one way, and then we can flick it back the next. Then we can go some braking. Right. We can wait, sideways. Right there, right there, right there.
Oh my gosh,
and then right there. Yeah. And then we're going to exit this time by right over here. All the way.
Oh my gosh, you delivered and we love this.
Here we go. Wait for it. Last one. Right through the finish. I hope that you enjoyed the ride because I did.
We had a great time at Electrify Expo in Austin, Texas today, and I hope you guys enjoyed some of the footage that we had from some of the Ford content, Ford booth, what they had on display there in a way of electrification, and as well as the great fun we just had on the Mach-E Rally and the capabilities of that vehicle. I have one. I haven't put it to that kind of capabilities and test, but with these professionals, I was able to kind of watch and see what it's capable of, and it is going to be a blast to own and to drive. So if you haven't had a chance to get to Electrify Expo, I encourage you to go if you're interested and maybe encouraged to maybe look into electrification, whether it be hybrid, plug-in, or full electric. They have you covered there, and you can learn a lot from those people. And you can even test drive vehicles, which was a lot of fun. We did not do the pretty long lines for that, but we've actually driven all of the Ford vehicles. Yeah, we had a blast today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to make sure you're subscribed with that bell notification turned on so you don't miss any other fun videos like this as we go to different shows as well as different content that we have on this channel. Until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.